We have our gorgeous blue plate. You can really just smell the lime, the citrus. Hi, my name is Mary Christie, and welcome to the second season of Travel Inspired Food. We are bringing East meets West. I am doing my tropical spring rolls. Often in Vietnamese spring rolls, you would use rice paper. We are using collard greens instead. This is a staple in African American soul food. I grew up eating greens, especially collard greens. Collard greens are so tasty, so packed with vitamins and nutrients. This wonderful, beautiful package of goodness, all wrapped up in a beautiful green roll. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Place these, one collard green each, I think. All right, so the chicken is done. We'll put the top over here. All right. So, let's see here. Now, all right. There we go. We'll do one at a time. So let me put the top on. And now we're taking out the chicken. Oh, wow. So beautiful. We have our gorgeous blue plate, and we will show you what this chicken looks like. Take a look. So take a look at this chicken. This is my lime cilantro chicken. You can really just smell the lime, the citrus, mixed in with the cilantro. Now we're going to slice this up and prepare them for the spring rolls. I'm just cutting off the stem. And you know what, if you want to eat the stem, you can. Actually, you can saute these separate in a skillet, add a little bit of seasoning, and just don't waste. We're just trimming off the back of the stem. You really don't have to do that, because it's really up to your preference. But I'm just doing just a little bit. But I like the stem. Hey, look at how nice this is coming out. So let me check on collard greens. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share, because I want you to come back and I want you to enjoy more of our good recipes that will bring different cultures into one plate, and something that will bring a lot more positivity into your day and into the day of the rest of the world. Thank you so much.